Hello everyone, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is your girl Bella Baby with Crazy B. Crazy B pa piwunju mapungeo NTA na dana chel mama live music nungati patonta kosil Agago district. And go get a mabetal. And for those who knows that I sing, yes, yeah, I love live music. For you who love the late Geoffrey Oryema, we are going to start with Land of Anaka. Land of Anaka.
Thank you so much. I'm Crazy B on stage. I'm with Bella.
Baby.
I'll do something like the late Oryema. Then we go to some original version.
Okay, fine. Please sing together with me. The golden paira. Land of Anaka, the golden paira. In this land of Baton, the golden Agago. In this land of Acholi, the golden Kuripalieji. Obigawe telayo wakachera neno tara. Obigawe telayo ululu mawe. Land, yes, of Baton, the golden Agago, hey,
with the glory of the Lord, we call it Agago, with the glory of the Lord,
we call it Agago. Obigawe telayo wakachera neno tara. Obigawe telayo ululu mawe.
With the glory of the Lord, we call it Agago.
So guys, thank you so much. So we are going to do one for a legend. Just one like this for a legend. Then we are going to do our original composition of his song. So we are going to do one for Rosalino team. For those who love Rosalino team, oh my God! If you also want an original song of somebody, please you can comment it in the comment section, and we see.